2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. Come take a test drive today.